Hello creepy comrades! I've been doing some shopping, looking for stuff to use in future gothic DIY projects, and I'm going to show you some of the stuff I found recently. First, from the thrift stores, I found these cool candle holders. I love the designs on these, and I have a couple of ideas of how I could gothify them, but I'm also open to suggestions if you have any. You can see there's some parts chipped off of this one, so I'll probably need to do something about that. And I got each of these for $1. Next, I got this set of corner wall shelves for $4. They've got a pretty simple design, so it's pretty much a completely blank canvas with endless possibilities for DIY. At the moment, I haven't made any plans for these since I've done a wall shelf DIY recently, but again, I'm open to any suggestions you guys might have for them when I do get around to it. This one I'm pretty excited about. It's an old mirror frame that came in a set for $6. I'll get to what the set was in a minute. But I already have a pretty solid idea of what I want to do with this one. It's definitely going to take some work though to get all this crusty stuff off. Now the set I mentioned included these two candle holder wall sconces. At the moment, I have no set plans for these. I'm pretty sure the reason these were a set was because someone covered them all in some kind of textured spray paint or something at some point. You can tell they're all very different designs and very different materials. And on the topic of candle sconces, I picked up this one for $3. Again, I have no real plan for this one. I keep flipping back and forth between modifying it or cutting it into parts to use for another project. Again, open to suggestions of what to do with the sconces. Here I have another wall shelf that I got for $1. It's got plenty of potential, but as I said, I've done a wall shelf video recently, so it's going on the back burner. Then I've got, well, I'm actually not sure what this is called, but I think it hangs up on the wall. I don't remember how much I paid for this one, but I want to say $1 or $2. And for this one, I'm picturing a creepy church of some kind. I feel like it's got the right shape for that. Now, I didn't actually thrift this one. My best friend was getting rid of it during the move to her new house, but I feel like it still fits. I don't have too many ideas for this yet, but I'm thinking of replacing the flower on the glass with a spiderweb design. Also, there's a bunch of other stuff in here, like rocks, crystals, glass things, and this neat little bug that I really like. A lot of people seem to enjoy my gothic wall decor video, so you guys will probably be happy to see I've been building up my collection of picture frames again for another one that I've been thinking up new ideas for. I particularly like this black one, but it's got a little chip in the corner, so I'll probably need to put some paint on that. Also, most of these frames were anywhere from $1 to $4. But by far, the best find was these next two frames. They came as a set for $6, and they are big and fancy. I just love the designs of these. And you can see it's almost as thick as my forearm. Luckily it's plastic, so it's not heavy. And here's the other one in case you wanted to see the art. I also found this awesome canvas print for $1. Now, some of you may not know this, but this is actually my favorite shade of pink. However, it doesn't really go with the color scheme of my living space, so I'll likely be trying to find a way to tint it more purple, and hopefully not screw it up. Now moving on from the thrift items, I've also been checking out some of the early Halloween decor that's been making its way into stores, so here's a few things I found so far. First, I found these neat hand towels at Burke's. They were $6, but there was a sale going on, so I got them for $3. Then, from Dollar Tree, I got this plastic skeleton hand. This is a massive improvement over the skeleton hands they've had the last couple of years, and for $1.25, this could easily find its way into a lot of Gothic DIY projects. Also from Dollar Tree, there's this large plastic spider. I'm kind of amazed this was $1.25 and not in their $3 and $5 section. I can see a number of uses for this, and I may already have an idea for it, but you'll have to wait for that. Then there was this Halloween fabric, also $1.25, lots of potential uses for this, and I quite like the pattern. And finally, from the $3 section of Dollar Tree, is this framed art. On its own, it's already pretty great, but the back is removable, so if you want to, you can replace the art with something else, and it's got hardware for wall hanging and sitting on a table. Of course, it's plastic, so it's not the most sturdy thing in the world, but for $3, I'd say it's pretty nice. And here's the other two versions of the art you can get. I'm honestly pretty impressed with these. And that's what I found recently. I'd like to give a thanks to my Patreon supporters who help support the channel. And if you'd like to become a Patreon supporter, you can get early access to videos, various bonus content, and a number of other things. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you, my creepy comrades, in another video.